Hello print fam, welcome back to another episode of using the flatbed Summa cutter. So right now what we're doing is we're printing some stickers on pressure sensitive vinyl. We're then going to take them and move them to the flatbed cutter. But what we are testing, and this could be a fail, I have not done it, but what we are going to test is in the Summa software there's a way to reduce repeat cut lines. So rather than how I used to do it, specifically for the roll cutter, I would leave a gap. I could sometimes get away with 0.2 inches. Sometimes, just to be safe and to make myself feel better, I do 0.4 inches. These have no gap. So we are contour cutting the sticker, and then we're cutting them out in a square. But the square that has the cut out, there's no gap between it and the sticker right next to it. So they're printing. I've got to print 500 of each design. There's 3 designs. I'm only printing 100 of one design because if it works, it's going to save me a bunch of media. If it doesn't work, then I'll switch back to the way that I know it does. So let's get this finished. We'll load it on the Summa. I'll show you what you do and we'll test it together. Let's jump to it. All right, so you can see that all of the blue lines are repeats because it's going to cut a square, it's going to cut a square, and they overlap, which will cause problems. So right here in the software, you can push clean up design, and what it's going to do is it's going to alleviate most of those cuts. So now you can see we've got a full cut, full cut, full cut, full cut, full cut, full cut, etc. So theoretically, this should work. So I've got the media loaded. I'm going to send the job. We're going to cross our fingers that it does what it hopefully is going to do. So it should cut out all of the kiss cutting first, and then it should go through and do the through cutting. It looks like it's working. I don't know why it cuts in the order it does, but whatever. Theoretically, I should be able to just, oh man, and then these should just all be, it worked, it's beautiful. So this is why this makes such a big difference, because this, you literally have to pop out every single one, versus being able to cut straight. It literally is just line them up. So plus less waste, which is awesome. So not only is this going to save me a ton of media, because it took off about 6 inches, 7 inches of length, but it also makes it way easier to stack them because they're no longer separated by vinyl. So it literally just kind of pops right off. So it was a success. I'm now going to print 1,500, 1,400 more stickers. So if you have questions about the Summa flatbed, let me know down in the comments. Thank you, Cam, for editing the video. I started a course, so that's linked down below if you want to get a course from me on how to sell this type of stuff. Then link to that is down below. For now, I don't know how long it's going to be there, but if you use the promo code FOUNDER, then you can save 80%. So thanks as always. We'll see you in the next one, print fam.